What if I told you there's a system, a real copy paste system that makes $100 every single day online, and you can start it today with zero experience and zero money? Stay with me for the next 8 minutes because I'm about to hand you the exact blueprint. No fluff, no theory, just a system. Welcome back to Wealth Flip, the channel where we turn your spare time into real income. I'm going to show you my exact 3-step system to hit $100 a day online. And the best part, you don't need a website, a product, or any special skills. Let's get into it. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you the one tool that makes this whole system run on autopilot. Most people don't know it exists, so make sure you watch until the end. Okay, so here's the system broken down into 3 simple steps. Step 1, pick a money skill. Step 2, find people who need that skill. Step 3, get paid, then automate. That's it. 3 steps, $100 a day. Let me walk you through each one in detail. Now, before you think, oh, I've heard this before, stick with me. Because what I'm about to show you in step 1 is something 99% of online income videos never talk about. It changed everything for me. Step 1, pick a money skill. Now, here's the secret. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to know more than someone else. That's it. Here are the 5 fastest money skills you can learn in 24 hours in 2026. Number 1, AI writing. You use ChatGPT to write content for small businesses. They pay you $50 to $150 per piece. You just edit and deliver. No writing talent needed. Number 2, Canva design. Businesses need social media posts, logos, and flyers. Canva makes it drag and drop simple. Charge $20 to $50 per design. Number 3, video editing with CapCut. Short form video is exploding right now. Businesses are desperate for editors. Learn CapCut in one day and charge $30 to $100 per video. Number 4, data entry and research. Simple, boring, but pays well. Clients pay $15 to $25 per hour. No skills needed at all. Number 5, AI thumbnail creation. YouTube channels need thumbnails every single day. Use Canva or Midjourney. Charge $10 to $30 per thumbnail. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Most people stop at the skill, but the real money, the $100 a day, comes from step 2. This is where the system kicks in. Step 2, find people who need your skill. Now, I'm not going to tell you to just post on Fiverr and wait. That's slow. Here are the 4 fastest ways to get your first paying client in 2026. Method 1, Facebook groups. Search for groups like Small Business Owners USA or Entrepreneurs 2026. There are millions of people in these groups actively asking for help. Send 10 messages a day offering your service for free for the first client. Get the testimonial, then charge. Method 2, Reddit. Go to subreddits like r/entrepreneur or r/small business. Answer questions, help people, then mention your service naturally. I've seen people get their first 5 clients from Reddit alone in 1 week. Method 3, cold email. Use a free tool called hunter.io to find emails of small business owners. Send a simple 5-line email offering one specific thing. Keep it short, keep it directy. Method 4, Upwork and Fiverr. Yes, these platforms work, but only if you niche down. Don't offer everything. Offer one specific thing, like I edit YouTube shorts for fitness coaches. The more specific you are, the faster you get hired. Okay, we are halfway there. You have your skill, you have your clients. Now comes the part that makes this a $100 a day system instead of just a one-time payment. This is the automation step, and this is where that secret tool comes in. Stay with me. Step 3, automate and scale. Here's the truth. Trading your time for money one client at a time will never get you to $100 a day consistently. You need systems. Here's how to build them. First, productize your service. Instead of charging per hour, charge per package. Example, so I will create 10 social media posts per month for $300. That's a recurring payment. Get 3 clients like this and you're already at $900 a month before you even think about scaling. Second, use AI tools to do 80% of the work for you. ChatGPT writes the content. Canva designs it. You just review and deliver. What used to take 3 hours now takes 30 minutes. More clients, same time. Third, and this is the big one, create a simple Notion template or Google Doc with your process. Every time you get a new client, you follow the same steps, same quality every time. faster delivery, happier clients, more referrals. And now, the secret tool I promised you. It's called Zapier. It's a free automation tool that connects all your apps together. When a client fills out your form, Zapier automatically sends them a welcome email, creates their project folder, and notifies you, all without you touching anything. This is how you go from freelancer to automated income machine. Let me show you exactly what a $100 day looks like with this system so you can see how realistic this actually is. And now, the secret tool I promised you. It's called Zapier. It's a free automation tool that connects all your apps together. When a client fills out your form, Zapier automatically sends them a welcome email, creates their project folder, and notifies you, all without you touching anything. This is how you go from freelancer to automated income machine. And now, the secret tool I promised you. It's called Zapier. It's a free automation tool that connects all your apps together. When a client fills out your form, Zapier automatically sends them a welcome email, creates their project folder, and notifies you, all without you touching anything. This is how you go from freelancer to automated income machine. And there it is, the exact system. 3 steps, 1 skill, real clients, full automation. $100 a day is not a dream. It's a system, and now you have it. If you want me to do a full deep dive on any of these steps, comment below and tell me which one. And if you're new here, subscribe right now because I drop a new money-making video every single day. I'm going to see you in the next video. And remember, your next dollar is closer than you think. Watch this video next. It's called The Lazy Person's Guide to Making Money Online in 2026. If you like this system, you're going to love that one. Link is right there.